A book of stories. A story starts with no words. We are faced with an empty page and often your mind has nothing ready. Maybe you are a lucky one and have many ideas to start with. Personally, I'm not one of the lucky ones. Let's start trying to extract things from our brain. We can start with a title. Often in schools this is given to you. In the case of my M2 students, the choices are fables, mythology, fairy tales or parables. Select a story to base your story on and give it a title. Now, what are the main objects to be in your story? These objects are things that you can write about. For example, a forest might talk to you with the wind in the trees. The next step is to create some events in your story. These will be subtitles and only consist of a word or two or very short sentences. My M2 students can copy some events related to the title, but can also add extra events to start changing the story to their own. You can edit the events at any time as new ideas pop into your head. Based on your events or subtitles, add some subtitles in between. Bring new ideas into your story. Adding them in between your subtitle events will help you keep everything on a good timeline. These can have a little bit more information and should now start to have more of the students' original ideas from their own head. In between all these, add 2 or 3 sentences from your own imagination. This is now constructing your story. Sometimes you will use the subtitles and sometimes you will add the subtitles into your sentences. This is up to you and your story. The contents now should be all original, from your own head, not copied from the internet. This is one of many quick ways to construct an original story based on a theme.